Check out that candle light.
Shook so much, like you
Where's
don't
the
even know.
flashlight?
Haunted queen, lady. This one has like sections.
Yeah.
There's haunted places, or there's strange.
Yeah, strange places.
Strange.
What you doing there, Xander?
Well out.
Those look like marshmallows.
Oh, what is that? What is that?
Never taken something
This is so funny because
On murder.
it's dark, but then I put the flashlight on you and I can see you. No.
Now all you need is to say sorry and then snot from the nose a lot. Get the fucking light. Bad at sorry.
Hey, it's because I don't ever have to say sorry. Well.
Like John
Black.
It's gonna go black first.